As it turns out,
Old Philly.
old Phil.
Old Philly knows what he's. He knows what he's doing. Old Phil. All right, folks, after Horseshoe Bend in Page, Arizona, we have come to Cortez, Colorado, and we're at the Hampton Inn, and we actually booked this one, I think, it wasn't on Hotwire, but it was online. We shopped around. You get a better deal online than you would in person. Now, the Hampton Inn is a Hilton Honors Hotel, if you are wondering. Very clean. Sanitation stations, you are required to use a mask. Nice sanitation stations all over the place, keeping it real clean and crispy. Super clean room, 2 queen beds, electronic plugs everywhere, alarm clocks, super comfortable beds with pillows as well. We got some great sleep. AC, they gave us a disabled room, so we have a lot of extra rooms. So you're probably not gonna have as big of a room. Cortez, we're gonna be mountain biking, plenty of space for our bikes. We got a workstation, you got a mini fridge in here, microwave, you got the TV here, you got the coffee maker with plenty of coffee. And what's nice about this place is they had a ton of coffee 24 hours a day downstairs with hot tea bags and everything like this. Barn door on this particular room. It might be because they put us in a disabled room. Not a big fan of that, and no fan. So if you're on your honeymoon, just understand that you might hear some stuff. Anyway, so you got your nice bathroom here and all that stuff. And again, the barn door, nothing really wrong with it, but you know, if you're looking for a little bit more privacy with the bathroom, that's probably the only con. Nice hot shower, clean. Again, disabled room gives us a lot more room in here as well. Stoked on the hot breakfast. You could help yourself to hot oatmeal, cereal, bananas, fruit, and they served you eggs, biscuits and gravy, all that stuff. Hot breakfast, we were pretty pumped about that. $106 for this place. Chopped between 2 people, including 2 free breakfasts. That's a win in our books. Now, let's go bike Cortez. And if you are wondering, they gave us the room. We didn't ask for it. It was the only one available, so they gave us a disabled room. Hampton Inn, Cortez, Colorado. Beautiful mountains. Over this way, it gets a little bit more flatter. Over this way, we have some tips for you. So we booked it on hotwire.com, but we actually got the Holiday Inn of Mesa Verde. 2.5 stars. We actually got a really good, nice deal. Unfortunately, pulling in, it was completely sold out. We have to get a refund, which made us go over to the Hampton Inn, which was a great hotel, but unfortunately now we have to deal with Hotwire. That's the only downside to Hotwire. We actually looked online, got a cheaper rate for the Hampton Inn than walking in. We just literally went on Google, searched it, and booked it online. Again, $106, includes a hot breakfast. If you do book it online though, you cannot use your Hilton Honors points. Checking in person, paying a little bit more, you can use your Hilton Honors points or accumulate more. Trailhead is very close to where we're going. But if you're feeding the whole family, hot breakfast included, you gotta go for that. Saving a ton of money there. Today's ride is gonna be Trailhead Phil's World. All right, so far, Phil's World is looking really good. Couple little pumps, but nothing major. Get the legs warmed up a little bit. A couple fun sections here. We're at, not the top. We have Lemonhead Trail Loop that goes up this way. And we're waiting for some tasty treats. But some roller coasters, a few little pumps up, a few little pumps down. Nothing too major, but we're looking good. Beautiful views out this direction with the mountains and snow. And then you got the cows, down the fields, the flats, a little bit more rolly hills, and then some snow caps in the distance there. Looking real good.
Tasty vittles. Tasty vittles. Jump hip. We're actually doing the Lemon Head Trail after all. A little downhill start and then a little grind up. Flattens out a little bit. Nice little lookout up here at the top. Again, Lemon Head Trail loopy. On top of the little mesa. These treats are underway. Full spinny. Wow, oh boy. Yeah.
As it turns out,
Old Philly.
old Phil.
Old Philly knows what he's. He knows what he's doing. Old Phil. right, guys, let me show you how Hotwire works. This is not a sponsored video by Hotwire, but my brother uses it and likes it. Now, if you want pre-reservations, definitely don't go this way if you have a family and you want everything to be smooth. So typically it is. We had one little hiccup in a couple night stay. That's all right. So you just type in right here your current stay, your current location, blah, 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 and we search hotels. And this is what we did last night when we pulled into town. So as you can see here, right here, once you zoom in, you can see these right here. Let's go ahead and click on this, and you can see 2.5 stars. Now, 2.5 stars was Hampton Inn. Again, beautiful place. It's going to be for 73 hot deal, 22% off. Now, as you see down here below, it says book soon. The last person got Holiday Inn Express, which is also a nice one. And then after your fees is going to be $88.09 down there at the bottom left. If you continue down, you can, go ahead and continue that. Go ahead and get your information. Taxes and fees, again, $88.09. But you potentially could get a different one. Now, they're going to give you probably a couple different options. So today's deal, you can also scroll to the right. 2-star if you want an even cheaper one right there. And 2-star, I wouldn't go below 2-star. There it is. Holiday Inn Express is $95 if you want to go directly in at it. I'd probably stay away from Retro Inn at Mesa Verde. Again, hey, I'm not hating it. I didn't stay there. Yeah, I just look a little bit more motelish on the outside. Getting older, I like a nice little soft bed. We went with a 2.5-star hotel deal. Again, it's going to give you a couple options. You don't know which hotel you're going to get until after you book. So you either get, in our case, the Holiday Inn Express or the Hampton Inn. Really like the Hampton Inn. Of course, we had a little hiccup with that. Now let's go to Google Maps, and you can see the same thing here. So definitely, if you want to, right there, Hampton Inn, we stayed right there. It says $99 here. We paid $106 booking it online. It actually only says it's a 2-star hotel here on Google Maps. So play around with that and see what works for you better.
Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.